Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. Let's get started in a tabletop position on our hands and knees. Open your legs a little bit wider, and we round our spine, making our way into our cat pose, pushing the mat away from you. And now arch your back, coming into your cow pose, looking up at the ceiling. Again, cat pose. Round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. And cow pose, arch your spine, looking up. Come back into your neutral tabletop as you thread the needle, sending your right arm behind the left wrist, lowering down on that right shoulder, extending your left arm forward. Bring your left hand back towards your face as you extend your right arm up towards the ceiling, reaching up, looking up, expanding the chest, and relax that right arm as you thread the needle with your left arm this time, lowering down on that left shoulder, extending the right arm forward. Extend your left arm up towards the ceiling. And we lower our left hand down onto the mat as we now extend our left leg behind us and extend that left arm up. So a little bit of a balance challenge in your modified side plank. And you have the option to reach up and over with that left arm, feeling a side body stretch. And back to our tabletop position. Let's extend that right leg now. And we reach up with that right arm, modified side plank, and we reach up and over. Make sure you're breathing and stretch as much as you need to here. And come back into your tabletop position. Curl the toes under and send your hips up for a downward facing dog. Relaxing your head, your neck, and your shoulders. Bend your right knee, coming up onto the tippy toes of the right foot. And now straighten that right leg, bending the left knee. Let's do that again. We bend our right knee, and now we bend our left knee. Straighten both legs, and slowly step your feet to the top of your mat. Open your legs wide, and let's grab behind our hamstrings and just slowly slide our hands down towards the ankles. Maybe pulling your upper body a little bit closer to the legs here. And I want you to relax the head, the neck, and the shoulders. Bend your right knee, plant your right hand as you extend your left arm up towards the ceiling, sinking deep into that right knee and right hip if it feels comfortable. Switch sides. Relax your right arm down. I'm going to turn so I can face the long side of my yoga mat so that you can see me. And I'm just going to open my legs a little bit, coming into a wide-legged forward fold. Grab behind your ankles and then relax your upper body. Walk your hands over towards your left foot. And now let's bend our right knee. Feeling a deep stretch behind that left leg and maybe in the right hip. And now let's switch sides. We come back to center, and if you're facing the long side of your mat, you can turn again facing the front of your mat. And we're just gonna wiggle our toes a little bit. Maybe you feel your feet crack. Step your feet to the outside edges of your mat for Malasana. Turn your toes out, sink your hips deep. You have the option to bring your hands to heart center, using the elbows to press the knees out. And now you can have a seat. Let's open our legs, keep the knees bent, drop your legs over to the left. You have the option to lift that left arm up and over for a side body stretch. Relax your left arm, dropping your legs over to the right. Option to lift up and over with the right arm. Make your way into a butterfly, bringing the soles of your feet together. Bounce your legs up and down a few times. And we walk our hands forward, coming into a gentle forward fold. Doesn't have to be deep. Rise back up, extending your legs forward. Shake your legs out as you take a big inhale, reaching up. Exhale, forward fold. And we come back up, and we're gonna make our way into a variation of supported fish pose. Lower your forearms and your elbows down onto the mat as you drop your head back. You can keep your knees bent or straight. And now make your way onto your back, hugging your knees into your chest. Extend both legs up towards the ceiling for your waterfall pose. Grab behind your legs, pulling them a little bit closer towards your upper body or your face. And maybe you even bring the toes behind the head. Maybe the toes touch the floor. Relax your feet down onto your yoga mat. So just plant your feet down with your knees facing up. And let's end by placing our hands on our low belly. And we take a deep breath, breathing in through our nose. And now let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope that you really enjoyed class. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including the weekly classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I will see you in the next one.